Here are the hidden factors I want you to be aware of, what other practices do that we don't do in our practice. Personal injury attorneys do not get paid unless they get you settlement, verdict, or a judgment. Be aware of this when you're hiring your attorney. One, when you go to a hospital and the hospital charges you medical service fees, if we win or lose, they want their fees. They want their medical bills to be paid back to them. Two, hidden administration fees. When you hire a mass volume law firm, you always got to be aware of their administration fees. Court cost, police report certification, expert fees, fees related to the case, they are okay. Therefore, you should ask for a receipt. Administration fees that don't have any receipts, they are not okay. That's a tricky way of them getting more money out of you to support their advertising costs. Be aware of that.